Let me just tilt it upwards a bit. There you go. Alright. Tripod shot. Tripod shot. Make content summer day 2. June 11th. God, it was a late night last night. Me and Swammy just listening to music and shit. I woke up super late today, and I'm like, fuck, I don't want to do anything. Cause like, you know, like when you like wake up late and you have no motivation to do anything because you wake up late, and like the day's almost gone already. So like, why do something productive now when you could just like continue doing jack shit? I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm taking y'all with me so you can see that my life is pretty boring, like yours probably, because social media is inherently performative, and you only see the best of like what people got going on. So I hope this is a really nice change of pace for like, sometimes you just want to see some like some chill shit, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here so you can watch some chill shit, like this dog right here. It's my dog. First step of each day, no matter how late it is, don't care if it's 5 p.m., you brush your teeth, or you eat breakfast and you brush your teeth. But I don't think I'm gonna make food anytime soon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. Now, does my hair look crazy to y'all? Anyway, that's my bed head. Naturally. Alright, I think the next move is to change our clothes, because these clothes feel like shit. I changed my clothes, feel pretty good. I think the next thing I should do is feed myself, because you can't do shit on an empty stomach, and that's facts. This is the kitchen, where I do all my cooking. I think today we're going to be making a chopped sandwich. That's what my belly feels like right now. And hopefully you guys will have fun watching me make it. First thing I do when I'm making a chopped sandwich, I figure out the bread situation. Take your sourdough, put it on a plate. Heat up the pan, medium heat. And then, I'm gonna get your fridge stuff out. Bacon bits, mayo, provolone, turkey, cheese, butter, mayo, lettuce. Lettuce and tomato. Lettuce, tomato, bacon, turkey, cheese sandwich. The pan should be pretty hot, or close to hot. And that's, you know this because it's been a while. Then we're going to take your butter and we're going to toast your bread, because butter makes bread taste good. Pro tip. I'll be move on to chopping our vegetables. First thing you want to do with the vegetables, always, is to, I don't know why I'm explaining this like y'all know how to cook. Like, you know to wash your vegetables, right? I don't know. Anyone can make this meal, as long as you have the ingredients. You know that one like Ken Carson or whatever, like clip when he's being interviewed, and he's like, I feel like anyone could be Batman. I could be Batman. You could be Batman. Anyone could be Batman. All you need to do is get the gadgets.
I feel like I could be Batman. I feel like you could be Batman. Anybody could be Batman. You just gotta get the gadgets.
Nah. Bullshit show. You're either with me or opposed me. Bring it in. What y'all losing now? What y'all? Should we get another angle, Mookie? I think we should get another angle. I think making content is just, I think there's a big learning curve. Making content is always like a trial and error type thing. Like, sometimes you're gonna make really good content that people love. sometimes you're gonna make really good content people hate. You know, it's just like the ebb and flow of how it works, you know? As long as you don't compromise like your initial vision or like what you want to make and like what you want to be, I think you're like totally good. So like, I don't know where I'm going with this, but I don't know. That's why I'm so like pro content, pro like fucking like, yeah, post shit, whatever you want to post, just post it, you know? Cause like, who gives a fuck anyway? Like, if I post this on my story, it'll probably get like, people probably look at it for like at least 1 second and then just like move on to the next story. So like, who actually gives a fuck about what I post? Cause you can just swipe off of it if you don't want it. If you don't like it, just swipe off of it, you feel me? I'm rambling. I'm a rambling man. But yeah, this is what the bread looks like so far. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. And that's who I'm making the sandwich for. I wish like, my goal is to like get so good at making sandwiches that I can do it really, really fast. And I can do it like, on a Bob's Burger type shit where like I have like a fucking restaurant and I just do shit like that. My family works there and this is our business. I think that's like kind of like, I think that's the American dream, like at its core. Like I was born in America, so like I think for me the American dream is owning a business. Like growing up under a business owner myself, like I think it's just like, I don't know. I think that's what feels right to dream about. Like owning your own business, being your own boss, like making money. I think I was born into a really fortunate situation, like with my mom and like how she's a business owner and like how I was given like the greatest tools necessary to like survive or like to like succeed in like kind of this capitalistic world. Because I've been to private school like my whole life, and that's like a huge privilege to be able to say that I went to like private school my whole life, because like I think I did get like kind of a quality-ish education. So like I don't know, I think education is low-key like the best thing you could like invest in, because like I don't know, it really depends on what type of person you are, because some people don't really take well to education or how it's like formed or how it's like applied in today's world. This tomato's soft as fuck. I don't know if I want this tomato. My tomatoes at? Where the tomatoes at? 17 minutes. Alright. Anyway, what was I yapping about? Education or some shit like that. As long as we remember that we're trying to make it easier for the next generation to succeed, we'll be fine. Like, I believe in humanity enough to like realize that. If that makes sense. I don't know, I'm yapping, bro. I'm on my own cooking show, bro. I don't give a fuck. I have a cooking show right now. Hey! They're just playing. Okay, that's enough tomato for now, I think. And then we put the customer on the grill. Anyway. Comment your favorite cheeses below. You like provolone or you like cheddar? Are you a Monterey type? Monterey Jack type person? Colby Jack? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Let's step engagement up, you feel me? I feel like I shouldn't have cut the cheese. I don't know. Cut the cheese, haha. That means fart. Anyway, see, if Cleo were here, I'd be able to like riff off him. But it's just me here, talking to the camera, which feels weird, but maybe it's so good. I have a friend that just found out they were allergic to eggs. And this is funny because this friend is like always allergic to everything all the time. So it's just funny how he just found out that he's allergic to eggs now. He can't like have mayo. He can't have In-N-Out anymore for some reason. I'm like, damn, his life sucks. He marches on. He marches to the beat of his own drum. Alright, let's put this shit. Let's put all the cheese and the meat on the pan. Then we put the customer on the grill. Should have rolled it up first. Fuck. It's not. Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Don't worry. Everything's fine. I'm going crazy right now, dude. Go back now. We can slide back. Let's just slide back real quick. Like chicken Travie. Like chicken Travie, you. I don't know. They're your hearts. My gym class heroes. If you scratch my back, here's your man instead. Chicken Travie. Chicken Travie, I'm the. If I could only find a note to make you understand. Bro, if I'm not singing while I'm working, check up on me, y'all. Cause that's not me. Look. Ooh, shit. I love avocado. I'm so glad that I can like fucking go to town on some avocado. I'm just like born too late to explore America. Born too early to explore space. Born just the right time to eat some avocado, am I right? Tomatoes should go directly on the avocado. I don't know, hot take. Alright, and then I'm gonna find a way to get all this lettuce on the sandwich. Should I put it on the tomato side or the turkey side? I'm put it on the turkey side. I think that's the move. Alright. Boo. Ooh, shit. Shit, dog. Fuck. That shit look fire as fuck. Okay. Lock the fuck in. You're doing this Mike's way. See that? You know what that is, y'all. You know what that is, okay? Hit that with pepper real quick. Hit that with some oregano. It's a light sprinkling. And then get the oil. Oil that shit up. And then on the side, you get the vinegar. Or then you pour that up. Oh fuck! Okay, this is gonna be fire. Okay, and then last piece. Get some bacon bits. Just pour some on there. Ooh, fuck yeah. Oh shit. What you know about that? What do you know about cooking that? You just learn how to do it on my page, on my channel, for free. Thanks for watching my cooking video. Bunko Nation, you just learned how to make Bunko's chopped cheese. I'm gonna eat this shit while watching The Middle.